traffic. Good.
University and ColonelGlenn. It might be coming to a stop. Going the wrong way. Roads here. And we're going back northbound on University. 083 Victor King Goal. 083 Beacon. TVI, TVI. TVI, UALR. They still roll a little bit, but he's missing a wheel.
See evidence received.
Go ahead.
Show me your hands. Show me your fucking hands, dude. Show me your hands. Show them to me. Show me your hands, bro. Show me those hands, dude. Hey, show me your hands. Listen to me, you're about to get tased. You want to get tased, bro? Put it down right now. Put it down right now. 2 seconds. Put it down. All the way down. All the way down.
I'm trying to unlock my phone.
I don't care about your phone, dude.
Y'all get on here?
Get out. Get out.
Hold on.
Get out.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand, dude. Give me your hand. Give me your fucking hand, dude.
What I know?
Give me your hand.
I ain't got it.
Unit service coming over the hill. We got them stopped. 161.
Like, God damn. Yeah, you.
Yeah, he's still. There's another one good.
I ain't did nothing.
Sure,
You
buddy.
pulled my clothes down and everything. I ain't did nothing.
Get up.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Hold on. Can I pull my clothes up?
No.
You got my ass out and everything.
Yeah, I did.
Brother, I ain't got nothing. God, no. No. Can I pull my clothes up?
I'm gonna catch you guys on AFC.
Man, I ain't did nothing. Oh, excuse me. I farted.
Yeah, it's probably a wet one, ain't it?
Nah, ain't no wet one, but damn. Yeah, I ain't did nothing.
All right. Have a seat.
That's what I'm saying. Can I pull my clothes up?
Have a seat.
Hold on, let me pull my clothes up.
All the way in. There you go. All the way in, dude.
I'm trying to get in. You're not giving me time.
Well, you can clear the net. 215. Did the boy taser, but didn't go through his clothes. Next section 11, please.
They had him on the ground.
He was driving well on University, then tried to correct himself before I got him and went the wrong way on ColonelGlenn.
Yeah.
And nothing. I get maybe just a little bit of traffic control over there. Just get them around if we can.
So you move the car?
At least he left his keys in the seat. Dude, I tried to tase him because he kept going over, reaching over on this side over here.
Yeah.
So I tried to tase him. It didn't even budge. It was like he's wearing a thin sweatshirt and like a thin sweatpants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta go check on that kid at Silver's.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, you're good, man. I was waiting on a record, and that's it. We do need somebody to go to that 36th Street address.
Okay. I'll go to it after I finish mine. Apparently he's got a broken hand, so I gotta go talk to him.
Darker than hell.
There you go. Caltech PCR. They don't even sell those with the hand guards on them either. You got to buy them separate.
Adam 99, North North. I tried to call you guys because you'd be closer, but my car radio just sucks right now for some reason.
Yeah, somebody got on our...
It was me.
Okay.
It's that stupid car radio. It's going to be that Caltech 556. Stand by. I'm actually looking for the actual serial number. Maybe that one, PC 95. It's the only one I see. Possibly Paul Charles Edward 95, PC 95.